Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your VistaCreate account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in create.vista.com and click on enter. You'll be directed to official homepage of VistaCreate. Now, at the top right corner of your screen, you can see login link. Click on it. Then, click on login button, which is at the middle of your screen. After that, a new window will appear on your screen. Now, you can simply type in your email address or password here. After that, click on sign in button. You can also log in using your Facebook, Google or Apple ID if you have already created account using these respective accounts. Simply click on these respective buttons and you can log into your account. Otherwise, type in your email address in this field and a password on this field. You can also click on this eye icon to view your password and make sure that you have typed it correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forget Password link here and follow the procedures to reset it. Now click on Sign In button to log into your VistaCreate account. As you can see that I have been logged into my account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.